Hey guys and gals, today we're talking about why you should not repair your credit. Now, I've had way too much caffeine, so I'm talking very fast, but we've got a lot of information. Actually, we don't have any information that's really relevant today, so I would not recommend sticking around. But if you do, you will learn why you should not repair your credit. Let's get into this. Hey guys and gals, today we are talking about why you should not repair your credit. Yes, this is a satire video. Yes, I've had way too much caffeine. Yes, I'm trying to get rid of a bunch of junk in my house. That's why I'm having this video today. I've been saving up all of this. This is all of the pre-approval letters I've been receiving over the last 14 months. This is a lot of pre-approval letters. This is one reason why you should not repair your credit. I counted over 200 letters from different companies that have told me they will offer me credit. All I have to do is sign up with them and pay exorbitant fees, and they will send me a credit card. Guess what? This is junk. Don't do it. Don't listen to my advice, by the way, because I don't know what I'm talking about. All I'm doing is working on repairing my credit. And in the last 2 years, I have done a lot of good on my credit score. I've also gone from being declined for a Discover card to over 18 credit cards, from everything from Navy Federal to Capital One to Bank of America. Yes, Discover sent me a card. I have got multiple cards that I started with from a company called First Progress and Rockdale Credit Union. Those are the ones I started with. Those are probably going to go away this coming year. American Express. Yes, I have got multiple cards, including the gold card with American Express. I have been working diligently. In 2 years, I have got 18 cards that have over $70,000 line of credit. Now, we are starting a company on helping people to repair their credit. If you want to learn how to repair your credit, make sure to like the video, comment down below, I need help, and we will reach out to you and see what we can do to help you repair your credit as soon as we are up and running, hopefully not too long after this video. Now, multiple people have talked about the Chase 524 rule. You can have no more than 5 new cards in 24 months to be approved for a Chase card. I think I'm a little bit overboard. Yes, do not do what I am doing, but at about 14 months ago, I had 6 cards, I'd have to go back and look, and Chase sent me a Chase Sapphire Preferred card. Watch my video, it'll be up above on how I busted the Chase 524 rule. Oh, but that's not all. They also approved me for the Chase Southwest about 6 months ago. Now remember, at that point, I had probably 1 less card than I have now. And then they gave me the Chase Business Inc. card to get my new business started. So I busted the 524 not once, not twice, but 3 times, so it does not exist. Again, don't listen to me. I don't know what I'm talking about, folks, but if you need help, comment below. Make sure to like and subscribe this video. We will be helping people repair their credit. We are not going to be gouging people. We are here to help you repair your credit. Make sure to like, subscribe. Don't fall for the junk. Don't do it. This is why you should not repair your credit. Yes, there are literally 200 letters that I've collected over the last 14 months. Now, I can give you good reasons why you should. That's just one reason why you shouldn't. But if you want to buy a house, got to repair your credit. If you want to get a car, you got to have good credit. If you want a credit card, you got to have good credit. Don't listen to me. Again, this is a satire video of why you should not repair your credit, because you don't want all of this. Have fun, guys. Till next time, like and subscribe. I'm out.